Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up VSDC for free background removal and post, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by downloading VSDC from the official website. Install the software on your computer by following the on-screen instructions. Once installed, launch VSDC Video Editor. On the welcome screen, click on New Project. Set your project parameters, such as resolution and frame rate, according to your video needs. Click Finish to create your project. Import the video you want to edit by clicking Import Content. Locate your video file and double-click to add it to the project. Drag and drop your video onto the timeline at the bottom of the screen. Next, select your video clip in the timeline. Navigate to the Video Effects menu in the toolbar. From the drop-down, choose Transparency and then select Background Remover. Click on Apply to add the effect to your clip. In the Properties window, you'll see options to adjust the background removal settings. Use the Color Picker tool to select the background color you want to remove. Fine-tune the tolerance settings to ensure a clean removal. Preview the changes by playing your video in the preview window. If satisfied with the results, move to the next step. To finalize your project, click on Export Project in the top right. Select your desired format and quality settings for the output file. Click Export Project to begin the rendering process. Once completed, your video will be saved with the background removed. You can now view your final output in the designated export folder. That's it. Your video is ready with a new background or no background at all. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.